In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out on Slack. If you're using a shared computer, troubleshooting an issue, or just switching accounts, signing out properly helps keep your information secure and makes it easy to start fresh next time you log in. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and look for the official Slack website in the results. Click through to open Slack. If you're already logged in, this will take you straight into your workspace. If you're not signed in yet, you may be prompted to log in first before you can sign out, which is normal. Once Slack is open, focus your attention on the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, typically your profile photo or initials alongside your name and the workspace you're currently in. Click that profile area to open the account menu. This menu is where Slack groups settings related to your profile, status, preferences, and session controls. In the menu, look for the option that says Sign Out, followed by the name of your workspace. This wording helps you confirm you're signing out of the correct place, especially if you're a member of multiple workspaces. Click Sign Out. Slack will close your session for that workspace, and you'll be taken back to a sign-in screen or a confirmation page, depending on your browser and your organization's settings. That's the entire process. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. First, if you're part of more than one Slack workspace, the menu may show several sign-out options, one for each workspace you're currently active in. You can sign out of them one at a time the same way. Second, if you don't immediately see your profile area in the lower left corner, make sure your sidebar isn't collapsed. Expanding the sidebar will reveal your profile and the workspace controls. Third, if the interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Slack occasionally updates its design, but the profile menu and sign-out option remain in the same general area near your name and workspace. After signing out, you'll need your usual login method the next time you return, whether that's an email and password, single sign-on, or a magic link, depending on how your organization is set up. For extra security on a shared device, consider closing the browser tab when you're done. And that's it. You now know exactly how to sign out on Slack quickly and confidently.